Hi guys, Piotr here, this is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today we are going to discuss the strategy based on the 4-hour chart. Well, you know that usually we are talking about the day trading, scalping, short-term trading, and you keep asking if we can also pass this strategy and try to trade on the higher time frame. So without the further delay, let's try to check what we have on the chart, what we are going to discuss today. Okay, as usual guys, you have to do your own homework, you have to do your own research. Please make plenty of tests, hundreds of tests, yes, hundreds of tests before you are going to risk real money. Well, the thing we are going to discuss today may not be suitable for everyone. Each of us is a different trader. You keep asking about the 4-hour chart, so at the same time, guys, you have to understand that some things are going to take the time on the 4-hour chart, so even more patient is going to be needed. We are going to discuss very pretty easy strategy. We are going to focus on the significant move, right? That's the significant move, and then we are going to discuss the either how to join the continuation after the break, upside break or downside break, right? Because that could be the significant move as well to the downside, right? And then we might try to join the party to the downside, or we are going to discuss how to recognize and try to fade the move. All right, try to fade the move. So either we are going to continue the significant move, or we are going to fade the significant move, and we are going to discuss today how to try to recognize what kind of the move we are going to get. In that case, for our chart, we are here on the cable, all right, and well, I already prepared myself into that, right? So that was the significant move over here, okay? From here after the moment of the consolidation, and then market went through this consolidation, all right? We broke everything here. Okay. Of course, based on the supply demand, there was a possibility to try to attempt the long side. Well, depends on how you trade it. It was the change of the day, as you can see. So, well, anyway, there was during the European session significant break to the downside. All right. So we broke the previous significant move. So in that case, we know that that's where is the supply demand line, right? So in case of the retest, we wanna see if the market is going to break with the closing 4-hour candle above, or if market is going to leave the upper shadows, giving us the reason to try to short this particular market. And guess what? Try to answer yourself what we've seen. Well, to be honest with you, most probably the first attempt to try to go short here would be stopped, all right, because of this spike. But with the close of this candle, right, there was another opportunity to join the party with the tight stop above. All right. So if we are fading, meaning that the market was testing significant level but was not able to close above or below this significant level, depends if we have a breakdown. So like this, so we are selling all right, as close as possible to this significant level, okay, and our stop is above the spike, right? Our stop is above the spike. It could be a 1 pip plus spread if we are going short, or just 1 pip if below the low if we are going long, all right? In that case, same as with short-term strategy, we are looking for 3R, meaning that we are risking 1 unit to get 3 units. Of course, you can try to adopt this management to yourself, to whom you are, what kind of the trader you are. You may try to try to trade 2R half, moving the stop to the entry, and then try to ride that position as long as you can. Well, it's up to you. You have to adopt the rules to yourself. Now, the next significant level, I think we can agree, is this move to the downside. Why it could be significant? Because we took some important levels to the left, right? We took out some stops, so that's the quite significant level. But suddenly market turned out and went higher, okay? So market took out this significant high over here. We are not gonna chase the price. Guys, we are not chasing the price. So we took out this significant move to the downside. We took out this high of that significant move to the downside. So what next? Depends on the consolidation before this significant move, the size of the consolidation. Usually if we are taking out, the market is going to get back and retest. If this is quite wide range, then probably market is going to retest 50% of that move on the pullback, right? Where is our stop? Our stop is very tight, is just below the consolidation, 1-2 pips below the consolidation, all right? So as you can see, in that case, we had quite few opportunities to go long, and all of them in that particular case were profitable. Of course, guys, if you are going to trade blindly this strategy, right, if you are going to over trade, you are not gonna be successful. So you have to apply some filters for your own safety, all right, for your own safety. Next one, also we can agree, I think, that based on this 4-hour chart, this move was quite significant. We've seen the pullback. So what we were waiting for, either for upside break, then if that would be the case with the upside break, that would be the hour consolidation, that would be the 50%, and in that case we would, after the upside break, we would wait for the pullback and try to continue to the upside, all right? But what has happened here, right, we were trying to take out this level, but we were not able. So immediately after the spike to the upside, we were shorting at the very beginning of the next candle with the stop 1 pip plus spread above this most recent high. As you can see, almost immediately it was possible to get 3R risk reward ratio. There was an opportunity to short even more and, well, to try to ride this position even more profits, to get even more profits from that particular trade, all right? So that's how the things looks like. Of course, it's not the holy grail. It's not gonna work each and every time. You are not going to have 100% rate success, all right? But one more example, right? Significant move to the downside. We took out the previous low, and now V formation, strong move to the upside, right? So that was the consolidation. That's the 50% of that consolidation. After huge move, pullback into 50%, rally, boom, right? Now, another one, that was the significant move to the downside because we took out some previous lows, right? Okay. Market was trying to take out this high of that significant move to the downside, but we left with the just taking the stops, right? So it was another possible move. Look how tight the stop was compared to what was possible to take. Very often it's gonna to be much more than 3R, right? So that's where you have to apply your money management rules. With that being said, guys, strongly encourage you to make hundreds of tests of this strategy. It's very easy for beginners, and advanced traders. Wish you great next trading session. See you around. Take care and goodbye.